Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing a meal plan with me, and I did one of these months and months ago. I will link that down in the description. So I figured it was time to do another one because, as you can see, the last time that I really meal planned was back in June, and it's now August 4th. So yeah, I need to get back on the wagon. I haven't been horrible, but I just haven't been great either. So I'm just going to pull this insert out of my traveler's notebook. And yeah, this is from So Much Crafting. I'm going to pull this little clip off so it's not in the way. So basically what I'm going to do right now is just set up this page. I really like to use food stickers and relabel these. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just going to pick some random stuff. I might just do all vegetables this week just to get myself in the right mindset. Plus it's cute. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to relabel them and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, so here's what I have so far. I have the date, and then I have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then this is for I'm going to mark the days that I do intermittent fasting. So I always do the same breakfast and lunch just because it's really easy. I take it to school. I'm back to work now, so back in my regular routine. And then I like to mix up dinner because I get bored with dinner for some reason. And then this is for snacks. So the next step, I did add a little sticker, okie dokie artichoke, because I thought that was cute. So the next step is I'm going to get on my iPad on Pinterest and I'm going to look up some recipes for my breakfast, lunch, and 2 dinners. So I'm going to go to my saved pins and I'm going to go to my low carb one. I am doing low carb right now, and then eventually I want to work my way back to weekday vegetarian, which I really enjoyed, and I just need to lose a little bit of weight before I work back toward that. So that's where I'm at right now. And the fasting thing is kind of new-ish. I've been doing it for like 4 weeks now. I really like this. It helps me to reset and it makes me feel good, so I'm still doing that. The way that I do this one is I do the, I don't remember what it's called. It's like 24 on, it's like on off or something like that. Stop go, I don't remember. But it's like 24 hours fasting and then you get back on your regular schedule. So that's what I like. And yeah, so I'm going to use my iPad right here. I'm going to leave this open for you to see. And I'm going to write down the name of the recipe, and then I'll write down the ingredients I need to get at the store. I will leave out anything that I already have at home that I don't need. So yeah, let's do this. So here's what I have. I am doing breakfast this week with egg cups and hash. I'm just going to throw something together. I have a little bit of potatoes, just a little bit, that I'm going to throw in there, and I have some bacon left from last week, well, from this weekend, really. I'm going to throw that in there, so I'm just going to make that one up as I go. And then I'm going to do a spicy tuna wrap with fruit and chips, and I have some low carb wraps. I'm going to put some avocado, some cucumber cut into like matchsticks, and some carrot matchsticks. And then for one of my dinners, I'm going to do taco pie. So this is kind of like a crustless pie, and I'm going to have ground beef, seasoning, Mexican cheese, heavy cream. I'm going to throw also some more avocado onto that, so I added 2 on there to remind me to get 2 servings of that. And also Greek yogurt, I'll use that in place of sour cream. It tastes the same to me, and buying 1 thing of Greek yogurt is better than buying 2 separate things. And then I'm also going to have chicken with broccoli salad. The salad is so delicious, and it's really filling. So I'm just going to get a rotisserie chicken, because just being like a single and just cooking very small amounts of food, that is really helpful. And then I love that salad. It gets better as it goes. It has like sun-dried tomatoes in it and artichoke hearts, so I added those, a couple of those things, some lemon and lemon zest. It's just very refreshing and summery and very delicious. And then for my snacks, I'm going to have lentil chips, which I'm going to have those up here with my little wrap as well. Some dark chocolate. I like to have that like at night when I'm relaxing. And then usually like before my workout, I have something like a rice cake with peanut butter on it. So, and then Wednesday and Sunday is going to be my fasting days, and then I'll do a cheat meal on Friday. And yeah, I think that's everything. I also added some fruit on there for my lunch, just maybe some raspberries or some blueberries, because those will be gone pretty soon. So I'll grab. So that is everything. I am ready to put it back into my traveler's notebook. There we go, right in the middle. That's nice. And this is ready to go with me to the store, and I can check off everything. I usually put it in my phone under my reminders. I like to check it off on my phone, but having this there as well, just to double check, because I hate making more than 1 trip to the grocery store. So this will be coming with me to the store along with my phone list. And yeah, it's a good system. It's working well for me. So I will have my Pinterest linked down in the description, along with this insert that I used and anything else I can think of. This book from Happy Planner is the food one. It's very cute. It has tons of stuff in it, like tons, if you're interested in that. And I think that is everything. So thanks so much for joining me for this meal plan with me. I hope that it was helpful, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!